Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 2020 Toyota Tacoma. So I hope you guys remember we unboxed Toyota Tacoma, I think even a couple of times. Okay, so before I start unboxing this, let me tell you that I bought this for MRP, just 299, and please don't overpay because honestly I know a lot of people are really too desperate. But please wait, you will get it because this set came sometime back. I didn't even knew that this set actually came, but I bought this very recently, like only like week or couple of weeks back. So I was able to get this from you know uh, local shops only. So the small shops I'm talking about. So just okay, let me just tell you something, guys. Go visit any toy shop which you are having because they are getting it nowadays. And any Hamleys, if you are having Toys R Us, go visit Toys R Us. So these kind of shops they always have Hot Wheels and Matchbox. So you will get that easily. Okay, so with that said, so here is the card art. Someone was asking about to show the card art a little bit better. I missed to show that in the last video, so here it is. The card art looks really nice, but honestly, I'm not sure how many people actually saves the card of every car. So for them, it's waste of the money, to be honest. Okay, so out of the box, the casting looks really solid. So it has some paint issues here. So this time I bought from a different shop entirely. So I don't know, maybe I am unlucky. I guess you can see the paint issue here, and so let me just try to refocus this. Okay, so here it is. The door handles are engraved and painted on top of it, and I really like the green color along with the black hood and air intake, and you can see the headlight detailing here and the Toyota logo here. Okay, the grill details here, these are not actually embossed or anything, it's just painted on in that particular pattern. That's it. You can see the fog lamps and all, and you can see the tail light detailing here, and you can see the Tacoma lettering here, 4 by 4, and there is no detailing the chassis. It is a bit underwhelming in my personal that's my personal opinion. So okay, does you can see the sunroof here. It is, all these things are transparent, and these are slightly black tinted. So this actually goes really well with this particular casting because green with black always glows really well. Either green with black or this dark blue with black, which they did it in the Ford Mustang dark cars. So these particular colors are really beautiful. That particular blue with black, or this green with black, or even forest green with black, cameo green with black. So this goes really well all the time. And okay, so the body is fully metal. The hood piece here, the air intake is plastic. Chassis is plastic. The fenders, this part is fully plastic. And the bed here, this particular black part is plastic. So this is a little bit heavy compared to the previous one, the Toyota Tundra which we unboxed. So let's see how much this one weighs. Okay, 37 grams, not bad. So like I think 1 gram, higher than the Toyota Tundra. Okay, let's see if this fits the track. It didn't fit. But one thing I really like about this casting is the rims are really cool. I mean, I do love these rims. But that is a wheel wobble you can see here. Okay, rear wheel doesn't have, but the front wheel wobbles a lot. Okay, let's try here. Okay, that actually requires a lot of force to make this climb on top of this mat which we are using. Okay, so rolling ways it's not really that good, and it has a wheel wobble also. Okay, so let's rate this car now. And before that, one more detail I missed to say is it has this rear view mirrors which is good, and it has the shark fin antenna here, that is also really nice to see. These are like this little details that you know add up to that beauty of the casting. And okay, So detailing wise, I really don't have any issue. So there's nothing going on there. And so paint issue, I mean, I'm having the paint issue. Maybe I'm pretty sure yours might not have. So apart from that, so my one issue with this is, so this grill could have been embossed instead of just painted on top of it. So maybe for that I'm just reducing zero point 0.5, so 9.5 out of 10 for this casting. And so if you guys are a fan of Toyota, please go ahead and get it. Or if you're a fan of trucks, go ahead and get it. Yeah. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.